Okay, so these are the properties for matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication is distributive over addition. That is, A into B plus C is equals to AB plus AC. Similarly, matrix multiplication is associative. That is, if you find AB first, then you multiply with C, and the result you will get, that is equals to, if you find BC first and then you will multiply with A. So AB into C is equals to A into BC. This is called associative property. Number 3, if you multiply identity matrix with a matrix, then you will get the same matrix. So IA equals to A. This is called identity law. IA equals to A. And number 4, if A and B are suitable matrices and lambda be any scalar, then lambda into AB, that means lambda is a scalar. We are doing here scalar multiplication. First we will multiply two matrices, then we will take a scalar and multiply with that matrix, and that value is equals to the value of individual. That means if you find first you will performing here scalar multiplication, then you are doing matrix multiplication. Here multiplication, then you are doing matrix multiplication. So lambda into AB is equals to lambda A into B is equals to A into lambda B. That means the scalar quantity can be multiplied with any matrix and the result you will get same. So let us solve this example. Here we will learn matrix multiplication as well as the other operation of matrices. Here a matrix is given, that is A is equal to 3, 1, 7, 5. And A square plus xi2 equals to ya. This condition is given. What is I2? I2 means identity matrix of order 2. So you have to find the value of x and y. Now A square is equals to this given. So first we have to find A square. A square means A matrix into A matrix. Now perform here the matrix multiplication. 3 into 3 plus 1 into 7, 3 into 3 9 plus 7, that is 16. Next 3 into 1, that is 3 plus 1 into 5, that is 5. 3 plus 5 8. Next 5 into 3, 7 into 3 21 plus 5 into 7 35. 21 plus 35 56. 7 into 1 plus 5 into 5. 7 into 1 7, 5 into 5 25, 7 plus 25 32. So here you are getting 16, 8, 56 and 32. This is the value of A square. This is the value of A square. Now the condition is given this: A square plus xi2 equals to ya. A square value we know, x into I2. I2 means identity matrix of order 2. So 1 0 0 1. Now x is a scalar, so we can multiply here scalar multiplication. X into 1, that is x. X into 0 0. X into 0 0. X into 1 x. So x 0 0 x. Similarly here ya. Y into 3 3y. Y into 1 y. Y into 7 7y. And y into 5 5y. So this plus this equals to this. Here we can do matrix addition. Corresponding elements we can add. So 16 plus x, 16 plus x, 8 plus 0, 8, 56 plus 0, 56, and 32 plus x here. So this is equals to this. Now from equal matrix we know that the corresponding elements should be equal. If two matrices are equal, then corresponding elements are also equal. Are you getting, students? In the chat option you send your message. If you have any queries, send the message. So by equating the elements, you are getting 16 plus x equals to 3y, 8 equals to y, so directly we are getting the value of y equals to 8, and from this one we are getting worksheet question. I will solve later. First you understand whatever I am teaching over here, then we will solve the worksheet question also. So here both the matrices are equal, so corresponding elements should be equal. So by equating this, y plus x equals to 3y, if you are taking that equation, then from that you are getting 16 plus x equals to 3y. If you are putting the value of y here 8, then you are getting x also 8. So x equals to 8, y equals to 8. This is the answer. Let me take another example. So if a equals to 3 1 minus 1 2, we have to show that a square minus 5a plus 7i2 is equals to 0 or null matrix. Let us check. First we have to find a square. A square equals to 3 1 minus 1 2 into 3 1 minus 1 2 is equals to, how to multiply corresponding elements, row into column. So 3 3 is a 9, minus 1, next 3 1 is a 3, plus 2, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, minus 2, and minus 1 into 1 minus 1, plus 4. So we are getting here 8, 5, minus 5 and 3. Check it. 8, 5, minus 5 and 3. Now we have to take this LHS. So LHS is given a square minus 5a plus 7i2. This is equals to, put the value of a square, 8, 5, minus 5, 3, minus 5 into a, directly you will do 5 into 3, 15, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into minus 1, minus 5, 5 into 2, 10, minus 7 into i2. Now 7, i2 means 1 0 0 1. Next step, here you can do matrix operation, subtraction. So 8 minus 15, 5 minus 5, minus 5, plus 5, and 3 minus 10, minus 7 0 0 7. 7i2, 7i2 means identity matrix of order 2, that is 1 0 0 1.